Good morning, Facebook, YouTube. This is Daryl Worthy with Excellence Janitorial Services and Carpet Cleaning over here in Taft, California today. Um, Getting ready to set up for this house cleaning. The homeowners have sold the house and they are putting it on the market to sell it. And so we're going to go through here and clean it up. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to go through we're going to clean all the windows and all the windows tracks. We're going to make sure that we get all of that buildup out of that window track off in there. We're going to take a crack and crevice tool and a small brush, and we're going to get all that dirt out of there, wipe these frames and have them cleaned. Going to dust off the screens, and we're going to clean the windows. Then also we're going to go through here, we're going to wash all the walls. We're going to clean the baseboards, and we're going to clean these wood shelves. We're going to clean out the fireplace. We're going to dust all these shelves. House is pretty dusty. Homeowner told me they've lived here for about 30 years. We're going to come in the kitchen. We're going to wash these cabinets and the blinds. We're going to clean those off. We're going to get all that grease off these cabinet doors, and we're going to get it cleaned up. We're going to take some Old English furniture polish, and we're going to polish them up and make them look nice and shiny. We're going to go through each area. We're going to clean all these walls, baseboard. We're going to actually go through here and clean everything from the walls all the way down. Yep, we're going to get it ready for it to be put on the market. Yep, so this is the before, and when we're done, you'll see the after work when we're finished. So what I recommended to the homeowner is, instead of putting new carpet in here, which would probably cost about $4,000 to $5,000, would be just to give the new owners that's buying the house, give them a carpet allowance. That way, that money does not have to come out of their pocket, and they thought that was a brilliant idea. So we'll get all that dust in this window track, and make sure that's nice and clean on both sides. Get all these walls washed up, and I don't know, they may paint after we wash the walls, but we're going to get it cleaned up. Carpet is pretty old. It really needs to be replaced, but like I said, they're going to give them a carpet allowance, and that way they don't have to spend that money out of their pocket. Everything in here is pretty old too. The cabinets are pretty thrashed out. All the varnish is off of them. We're going to clean it up. We're going to make it look nice. The shower, yeah, we're going to clean all that out. Make it look nice, pretty. Yep. Get all that soap scum off of here and that buildup. We're going to make it look nice. Get this floor cleaned up, make it look nice. One of the things that set our business apart is that we focus on details. Whoops, just dropped the tray. We focus on detail cleaning. And because we are a multifaceted cleaning company, we not only provide carpet cleaning services, we not only provide carpet cleaning services, being a multifaceted cleaning company, that we clean carpets, tile, grout, strip, wax, floors, carpet stretching, carpet repair, office cleaning, condo cleaning. We perform a variety of services for a diverse base of clientele. So we've stayed pretty busy. We've been in business for over 25 years, licensed, bonded, and insured with $2 million of liability, and everything seems to be going great. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this house. This is a pretty big job. I say probably take us about 2 days getting this house in order. And we'll see you on the next one with the after effects.